In the digital age where your smartwatch knows more about your heartbeat than your doctor, cybersecurity is no joke, except when your password is 123456. Then it's a bit of a laugh. As we surf the cyber waves, let's not wipe out on the shores of complacency. Instead, let's ride the tide with savvy and a smile, because cybersecurity is serious business. But who says we can't have fun along the way? The state of cyber affairs. Imagine a world where your fridge is at risk of getting hacked. Yes, that's 2024 for you, where even your kitchen appliances need a firewall. Geopolitical tensions are simmering, and the tech is spinning faster than Usain Bolt on a conveyor belt. Cyber resilience is the name of the game, and we're all playing whether we like it or not. AI, friend or foe. AI is like a friend who's great at party tricks, but might accidentally set the house on fire. AI is transforming the way we approach cybersecurity, offering predictive insights and automation. With great power comes great responsibility and the occasional rogue robot butler. It's the responsibility of the AI user to verify all AI-generated responses. Cyber hygiene. Clean up your act. Good cyber hygiene is like dental hygiene. Ignore it and you'll end up with cavities, or in this case, viruses. Strong passwords are your floss. Software updates are your mouthwash. And thinking twice before clicking on links is like avoiding that extra candy bar. Keep it clean, folks. The CIA triad. No, not that CIA. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability are the three musketeers of cybersecurity. They are here to protect your data from the digital comic books of the cyber world. Confidentiality keeps your secrets. Integrity maintains your data virtue. And availability ensures your digital life is always at your fingertips, like a good butler, not the robot kind. As we continue our odyssey through the cyber cosmos, remember to keep your shields up and your humor intact. Cybersecurity is a journey with no final destination, but with vigilance and a dash of wit, we'll navigate the stars safely. May your digital footprint be as light as your heart, and your antivirus as robust as your spirit. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, the only thing to fear is a weak password and maybe clowns. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.